Welcome back to the channel. So this video is for all you people out there who've got old halogen downlights in your house and you're wanting to upgrade them to an LED like this to save on your power bill and just stop the hassle of changing halogen lamps all the time, and just some of the things to look out for when you're looking at upgrading. There's things you need to buy. There's quite often you'll have a transformer like this which has a minimum of a 20 watts capacity, which is fine with the old halogen lamp, but when you put in a LED lamp which is say 6 watts, you'll find that quite often they'll flicker. So what you need is a transformer like this that has a minimum of 0 watts, so it will run the LED as well as a halogen. It will do either or fine. The other thing to look out for is if your old lamp holder, if these two pins in the lamp holder have got a bit slogged, the contacts can get a bit average, so it may pay to buy some replacements. So what I've got here is I've got the two different transformers set up, and we're just going to try the two lamps in the different transformers and just see how they run and whether there's actually a noticeable difference from transformer to transformer running each of the lamps. So we'll try the halogen in the older type of transformer first with the minimum of 20 watts, so that's running fine, no flickering or anything like that, which you wouldn't expect. So we'll flick that off and whip it back out, and now we'll try it in the newer type of transformer with the 0 watt minimum. So we'd expect this to run fine as well, and just when you're pushing the lamps in, make sure you push them straight in so the pins don't slog out the lamp holder straight away. And that once again runs fine as you'd expect. So what we'll do now is we'll whip that out and we'll grab our LED lamp out of the box, which is 7 watts I believe, and we'll chuck that in our two transformers and see if we notice any difference. So we'll start with the old one with the minimum of 20 watts. So we may expect to see a bit of flickering potentially here, just a little bit of pulsing or something along those lines. So it does run it, but quite often after a bit of time you will notice a little bit of a pulsing. Kind of hard to see in this, but it's a common thing I see quite a lot as an electrician, so we quite often have to change the transformers out. Sometimes the other lamps, so just trying it in the new one, should expect to run fine, but sometimes the older transformers actually won't even run an LED lamp, they just won't go, and that's something that they don't tell you in the shops when you're buying one. So we'll try it back in the older type of transformer again and flick it back on, and it does actually seem to be working okay, but what you'll find is over time you'll start to notice a bit of a pulsing or a flickering, and it gets really annoying, and it also shortens the life of your lamp, so it does pay to get the right type. So that's about all we've got time for today. Hopefully that has helped, and hopefully it might explain some of the things, troubles that you might be having with your halogen lights trying to change them out for LED. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and hit like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully keep making these videos and helping you out. Cheers.